Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the topic from the subject personal grooming. Name of the topic is health and hygiene. Now, in this personal grooming subject, what we are going to see is how a particular person can be well groomed. What is mean by grooming? How the person is well groomed. So there are n number of things that are divided with men and women. Grooming for men means the person should wear neat and clean clothes. The second one is the person should wear a professional costume while working into a corporate sector. This means a man is known as personally groomed when he wears neat and clean clothes, he wash his hand every day, he bath every day, he cuts his nails every day. When a person wears a professional costume while working into a corporate sector, he is known as a personally groomed person. So there are n number of things that are considered into a grooming part. So there are the thing is, we should be hygienic in nature. Hygienic in nature. So what is meant by hygiene? Hygiene means when we are on the way to cleanliness. When we are on the way to cleanliness. Hygiene means when we are taking care of every healthy thing. When we are taking a care of our healthy food, then healthy lifestyle. When we maintain cleanliness is known as maintaining a proper hygiene. So in this thing, healthy food, if we are eating a proper healthy food at proper time, it means that we are following a healthy food and we are following a healthy lifestyle. So healthy lifestyle means waking up early in the morning, exercising for 45 minutes and eating a healthy food, not taking enough stress. This is mean by health consciousness. When we are conscious about our health, we wake up early in the morning, we eat healthy food, we every day we exercise, we maintain cleanliness around ourselves, and we are hygienic in nature. So all these things are totally interdependent. So personal grooming for men is he should wear neat and clean clothes, he should behave, he should wash his hands every day, he should bath every day, he should take a bath every day, he should wear a professional costume while working into a corporate sector, he should be very keen about all the rules that are being followed in a corporate sector. So personal groom are these things. Another thing for personal grooming is wearing a professional shoes, wearing a socks, which is perfect in its elastic. That means the person is known as well groomed when he wears a socks, but the socks should be well elastic, so it should not lie down. So this means the person is a well groomed. Again, one thing is he should be carry a very thin pocket so that it will not look bulgy. So these are some of the things which comes under personal grooming and grooming for men. Now another thing is grooming for women. So in this thing, grooming for women have some different rules than men. In this thing, the women working into a corporate sectors should not wear glossaries that will show off. They should not use heavy makeup while working into a corporate sector. So in this thing, there are two different things. So grooming for men and grooming for women. So in grooming for women, the woman should not use use heavy makeup and should not go into the corporate office, should not wear glossaries that will showcase. So these are some particular things. All the common things are same. She should bath every day. She should use a very professional outfit. She should wear a very professional outfit which will look decent. So being decent is also a part of grooming. The baggage which is carried by a woman should be small so that it will not look very bulgy. Same in the case of, as we saw in the case of men, that he should not use a bulgy pockets. The female should not use a bulgy purses. So these are some of the things that are related with a personal grooming for men and personal grooming for women. Now the part is health and hygiene. What is mean by health? So there are two types of health: mental health and physical health. Mental health and physical health. Mental health means mental health is very important factor in today's life. Mental health is totally dependent on what you think and what is the surrounding around you. What type of surrounding or what type of people are there surrounded by you. So it is totally dependent on your mental health. So for keeping your mental health happy, you should every day meditate. You should meditate every day. You should do a proper exercise. You should not take stress of anything. This is totally dependent on a mental health. Now the thing is physical health. What is mean by physical health? Physical health is something which is totally dependent on your physical body structure. So for keeping the physical health maintained, you should exercise daily. Then you should follow all the rules. That are dependent for keeping your physical health maintained. That is, you should use helmets while driving. You should not eat unhealthy food. Eating an unhealthy food is a very major part for losing a physical health. So physical health and mental health, this both things are totally interrelated with each other, and this both things are totally can be affect each other. That means if your mental health is not good, it will affect your physical health. If your physical health is not good, it will affect your mental health. So this is health and hygiene that we saw in this small video. The next video will contain the second part of this, so stay tuned. Thank you.